Welcome to the course on Contemporary Political Economy. I, Dr. Wahida Shaikh, Head Department of Political Science and Dean, Faculty of Humanities, Abeda Inamdar Senior College, Pune, is the coordinator of the course on Contemporary Political Economy. Political economy is an interdisciplinary branch of the social sciences. The course is of total 5 credits, 14 weeks duration, spread over various modules, lay stress both on theory and applied nature of the subject that have registered rapid changes during the last decade. Some of the field or the departments where students can be employed: NGO, government departments, statistics department and freelance.